Hello everyone, welcome to watch Keypower's Canton Fair live show. I'm Derek, and today we have invited Mr. Lei from Elko Power System, the
Hello.
world's largest Perkins dealer, to join us. And also join us is our sales director, Ms. Lily. Welcome to Keypower, Mr. Lei.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hello, everybody. I'm Billy. I'm from Elko Power. It's my pleasure to be invited to be the guest of the Key Power live shows.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, now let me to update you some of the Perkins informations. And for over the 85 years, so Perkins have already produced more than 21 millions of engines. And in the world, we have 5 factories, which is in UK, United States of America, India, China, and Brazil. So we employ more than 5,000 employees in the world, and we have 3,500 outlets, cover 178 countries. In the factory, we only produce two brands. One is a Caterpillar in yellow, the other one, which is Perkins in blue. And over the 85 years, we gather a lot of experience, knowledge, and technology on the engine design. So for all the Perkins product, we have a lot of good benefits and features. First one, we have a very good reliability and our performance, good performance, delivering the maximum output for all your power requirements. And we are easy to service. And also we have very good flexibility in the installation. And we have a very high power density. That means delivering more power from the same size of generator set. And our maintenance cost is very low. And lifetime maintenance cost is also very low as well. So this is our Perkins family. So from the 400 series to the 4000 series. So along from the 5 kVA 400 series, then we will have the 1100 series, 1200, 1500, 1700, 2000 series, and 4000 series, covering from 4 kilowatt to 2000 kilowatt. So today I would like to introduce our 1200 series. So 1200 series, we have the 1206 7-cylinder, 7-liter engines. So it will be fitted into the power range between the 1106 and the 1506. So for the 1206 Tech 1, 2, 3, that will be replaced the 1506 Tech 1, Tech 2, Tech 3. So in the future, there will be no more 1506, only the 1206. So again, the features and benefits of the 1206, which is very compact in size, 20% lighter than the 1506. And they have a different emission standard. You can choose with like a Euro 3 Tier 4, US Tier 4 final, and a very low cost on services, and very quiet by the design. The noise is very low, about 113, and also very competitive in performance like the fuel consumption, oil consumption. So for 1206, we have 3 models, which is Tech 1, Tech 2, and Tech 3. The engine, which is 6-cylinder, 7-liter, switchable, which means it can be 50 hertz or 60 hertz, depends on which market you are using it. And the power, which is from 220 kVA to 275 kVA. Okay, next one, I would like to highlight the 1700 series. So So 1700 series, 1706, which is a 9.3-liter engines, and it will be fitting into the rating between the 1206 and also with the 2206 13 liter. So for 1706, it would be the replacement for the 1506 Tech 5, and as a complementary rating for the 2206 Tech 2. Again, the benefits of the features of the 1706, which is very compact in size, have a Tier 3, US Tier 3 standard, high power density in this class, and reduction in the engine package noise for 4% improvement, and very competitive in the performance, which is a low fuel consumption, very low fuel consumption, low oil consumption, and very good low acceptance. And for 1706, we have two models, which is 706, 1706 Tech 1 and Tech 2. They are all six-cylinder, 9.3 liter, 50 switchable engines, 50 hertz or 60 hertz. So, and the power, which is from 337 kVA to 385 kVA. The next one I would like to introduce to you, which is the 2806. So 2806 is an 18 liter engines, and will be the fitting to the range, which is between 2806 and the 4006 23-cylinder engines. These two engines is a different platform. 2000 series is built in American, and 4000 series built in UK or India. They are two different platforms, but now we extend the power rating from the 2806 to be as a complementary rating of these. So if you make it if you use it as a in a rental market, that would be very good, because you don't need to have a bigger container. You need a small container to fit with these 2806, and that will be you are using lesser material and cost to build the genset, but they can provide the same performance and benefits as the 4006. So just like what I say, the 2806 Tech 5 is a complementary rating of the 4006 Tech 2. So its benefit, which is very compact in size, 27% smaller and 35% lighter, as compared with the Cummins GSK 23 and also our 4006 as well. So it is very good. I would recommend Keypower. They can use these engines for their rental customer. And that is all. They also have a different emission compliance standard for different part of the world. Very high power density, very competitive in the ambient temperatures. Like 50 degrees, they don't have any derating, and very good competitive in the fuel consumption. So for the 2806, they have a few models like 2806 TTAG4, TTAG5, TTAG6, and TTAG7. So their power range, which is from 784 kilowatts to 943 kilowatts. And for all these new products, they're already available on our price list. And I think I mean, the customer, you can ask Keypower to give you a quotation for these power rating genset. So for these genset, they are mainly built in our Peterborough, UK factory, and also the Texas Seguin factory, which is for the 8.8 liter to 18.1 liter. So next, I would like to present you about the 4000 series engines. So we start to produce the 4000 series engine in 1994, and its power, which is from 500 kilowatt to 2000 kilowatt. And the engine is only designed for the electric power market. And It already working in a lot of different applications, which is like base load, prime, standby rating, data center, and some critical application like hospital, airport. And 4000 series is only produced in UK or India. And we have, since 1994, we produced more than 60,000 units. Yeah, for 4000 series, they serve a different market segment, like the industry and real estate, data center, critical application like the hospital, airport, something like that. And I would like to highlight this one in China. I mean, 6 or 7 out of 10 airports in China, they use the Perkins engine. And the rental market, what have been presented to you, that the 1206, the 1706, and even the 2806, they're really good for the rental market. Okay, next one. Okay, there are some good benefits and features of the 4000 series. So it is a full authority electronic control, and we use the ECM technology and latest field system, but we are still continue to develop the electronic engines for the 4000 series. So in the future, we will have a common rail engines and a fully 100% electronic engines. Maybe in the next 2 to 3 years, then you will, next year or next 2 years, then you will see the new product coming out. It is a green engines meeting the China 3 standard and Tier 2 standard as well, emission standard, meeting a lot of market knocks, very high power density, very durable and reliable. So this is our factory which producing the 4000 series. The first one, which is in UK, in Stafford. So you see that there's a lot of robot and also some very high standard equipment to build these engines. And in India, we have also having the. This is not India. So this is the factory. You see that there's our old UK factory. So a lot of people, they will ask about my one question. The product built in UK, is it the same as the product built in India? I would say yes, 100%. Because for the factory in, could you please next, which is the India. So I would like to say that why the India product the same as the UK product? Because they applied, yes, this one. They apply the same standard of production procedures, the same material, same software to. So I would say if you have two engines, one from 4000 series, one from UK, one from India, putting in front of you, you cannot find any difference on that. The only difference, which is the nameplate. One is saying that it is made in China, in UK. The other one, which is made in India. So you don't have to worry about that. The things built in India is different from the UK. The same, just like iPhone. When you buy an iPhone, you don't know where it's produced from, but the standard is the same. The same idea apply on in Perkins product. So this is our India factory. You see that the factory, they are very clean and using a lot of high-end equipment. Caterpillar, they put almost more than 200 million US dollar in this factory. So they're using the world-class equipment, production procedure, software, everything, and the five-star production site and scale. Okay, the two factories are giving you one customer experience. So both factory offers very competitive lead time, world-class quality, guarantee the reliability and durability, full lineup of product offering like E-Pack or E-Unit, warranty package, which is 1 year unlimited hours or 2 years 16 hours, 3 years, 1,500 hours, which means that the first year you can use no limitation on the operation hours. The first year is fully covered, the warranty. The second year, we provide the second year. If you use less than 6,000 hours, then we will cover it. And for the if, for the standby, we can offer you 3 years warranty. If the operation hour totally only less than 1,500 hours, then you have 3 years warranty. That is a very good warranty. I mean, in the world. So last, I would like to say something about Perkins partner like us. We are the distributor of Perkins. We are not belong to the Perkins, but we work with them. So we are one of the 90 distributor in Perkins family and Perkins distributor family. So last year we are the number one in the world. We deliver more than 10,000 units of engines to our customer, and we are number one in the world last year. And these 90 distributors, like Elko Power, we are very professional. We put a lot of investment in our facility. We have a lot of inventory for the engines and also the spare part to serve our customer. And we covered 178 countries. And we have serving about, in Europe, we have about 1,700 outlets. And in North America, we have 1,200 outlets. And in China, we have a lot, more than 100 outlets. And we also have the local support. That means whenever your engines go to anywhere in the world, and then you can find the local support for you, no problem. And also we have a regional training center. Elko is one of the Asia Pacific training center.
So this is my presentation. So thank you very much for you listening to me for those practice information. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Lei, for this very informative presentation.
Yeah, it's quite helpful for us.
Yes, we are especially excited about the introduction of the new models of the engines. It is more compact and also more efficient.
How can I say? Which is direct current DC generator, and also they need some battery inside, and they need the genset to have to be very high, very high security.
Yeah.
And because there are a lot of thief, they will steal those fuel or steal the oil or steal something on the genset. So
Yeah.
and also the solar panel on it as well. And have to be monitored, 24 hours monitor, 24 plus 7 times 7 for the monitoring the genset working. So there's a lot of things inside. It's a solution for those telecom companies.
Yeah.
So they require a lot of people from different technologies to come together,
Join together.
yeah, and then have a final design.
Yeah.
So that would be a very, very difficult one now. And I see that your Keypower is also working in this direction.
Yeah. We are working with Perkins and Larry Soma to develop a 20 kVA DC generator for telecommunication industry.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, and we will invite our customer to come to our factory to do the full test before do the massive production.
Okay.
Yeah, but due to the COVID-19, which and their schedule is delayed. Speaking of COVID-19, we would like to know if the Perkins factories in countries like India, UK, Brazil, and USA, are they affected by the COVID-19 or not?
Yes, past 2 months, our UK factory, India factory, and even our American factory, they have to close for a month or two. But now their production is recovered, but not 100% recover, but 70% something. But I think next 1 to 2 months they will be back to normal again. So now we need to do more works on promotion and take more orders from you.
Yeah.
We hope we can get some real promotion idea or
Yes,
strategy from Perkins. Huh?
Yes.
So,
That's
and
right.
back to what you say about your new development in the telecom products. I would be more than happy that you work with us on those the design and also some technical issue. We have a team of A&I, which is application and installation team.
Yeah.
They can serve you, and they have a very rich experience in developing these telecom product. I think their experience, their knowledge can help you to develop a capable and a reliable product for your customer.
Yeah,
No problem.
we always appreciate the dedication and the professionalism of the
Yes, yes.
Elco team
Yeah.
for the Perkins engines that we can work together to solve all kinds of problems.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, the one who developed the DC generator in our factory was worked for Leroy Sommer before, and he talked a lot with your engineer to develop the DC generator.
Yeah.
Now the sample units already finished, waiting for the customer come to have the FAT.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Good news. Good news.
Yes.
Wish you can get a big order from them.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yes.
No problem.
And also for the rental market, we have been using Perkins engine quite a lot. For example, we have a sample here. Let me show it to Mr. Lei about the features of
that's
these
good.
products.
Okay.
Let's take a look. This unit is powered by a Perkins 404D 22G diesel engine for prime 20 kVA generator. And the whole unit is weatherproof. It's with a very sturdy base frame and with bumpers to protect the enclosure during forklift handling. Also is with an integrated lifting beam and a single lifting point. It's very easy for transportation. And here in the control panel, you can see that is fitted with a Woodward controller and also an analog time meter. Yeah, for the easy reading of the running time. Also, it's with ABB 4-pole circuit breaker and protected by an adjustable RCD. This is also the requirement of the rental market. And here is the dedicated power output terminals for easy connection of cables. All the wires, all the doors are earthed to make sure there's no leakage of to prevent earth leakage. Yeah. And also here it features an external fuel refilling point. That means even though the genset is running, you can do the refilling. So there's no need to break the operation. So it's important in rental industry too. Here, the battery is the Vata brand that guarantees quick and reliable start whenever it's needed. And a battery isolator is also a standard. Also, this genset is fitted with quick couplings for external fuel tank connection. It's located in the bonded area, so if there's any leakage, you'll be caught inside the base frame. All right, here. There's a dragging hole in the front and rear end of the genset, so if there's no crane or forklift for handling, it can also be dragged in the field. And all the doors can be opened for maintenance, like the radiator side here. And also, for the maximum access to the engine, all doors can be lifted off for overhaul or other maintenance. Yes, and it's also with a earth rod. When it's used in the field, it can be connected to the ground for the grounding. Yeah. And on the rear side of the generator is fitted with several sockets. That is the standard of the EO market. And also this side can be opened. If the voltage needs to be changed, you can manually do the rewinding to get several types of voltages. So I hope Mr. Lei likes this machine.
Yes,
We use
very.
your 400 series.
Yeah.
Very impressive.
Yeah, this engine is EU Stage 3A certified, but from this year, the customer is transiting to EU Stage 5. So we are hoping that we can get the engine very soon in our factory.
I think so. Because the requirement is very important.
Yes.
Emission requirement very important.
Yeah.
I think not so far. Then you can put your orders to us, and then you can receive them from our Wuxi factory.
Yeah. Let's hope so. Okay.
Yes, I got a few questions. Want to ask you, Lily. We all know that the COVID-19 situation is very bad and affecting us, the business, normal life, everything. So during these, almost 4 months, 5 months, what have you done to deal with this situation, and also how you deal with your customer during this time?
The orders dropped a lot this year, but we don't push our customer to give us the order because we know that it's really hard time for all of us, the whole world, and we also bought a lot of face masks to send to them. And one thing I think it is
Very
good
generous.
for us to do, we ask our customer to check their inventory and give us the potential order, which will be maybe a good solution for them. Because I think the generator market may picking up after this finish, and at that time maybe the delivery time will be very hurry. Yeah, so we ask them to send us the quantity and models that we can prepare it first, and then when they need it we can deliver very fast.
Yes, this is a good idea, because I believe totally believe that the market will come back very soon.
Yeah.
And at that time, there will be a lot of inquiry. And then if you've got enough inventory to serve your customer, then you can win the business. You can catch the opportunity. So it is a good way to capture the most opportunity that you can, and also can let your customer to do more business.
Yeah.
So I think they will say thank you to you, and also your relationship between them will be more tightened.
Yes.
It's quite important. And meantime, we also catch this time for the engineer and the workers to develop new products.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, it's good time for them to do it.
Yeah, if they're too busy, they don't have time to develop or to think of some new idea, new
that's
product,
right.
something like that. It's good, very, very good.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go to see our factory after
that's good.
this our
Live show.
So let's
say goodbye.
say goodbye
Yeah.
to everyone, and
Okay.
thanks again, Mr. Lei, for joining us.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
hope to see you next time in our live show.
Okay.
I hope
thank
he
you.
can give us a real discount so we can be benefit from him.
Of
Thank
course.
you. Thank you for
Bye-bye,
watching
bye-bye,
us.
bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.